In today's isometric class, we'll be drawing this isometric projection using our AutoCAD software. So let's set up our environment. Let's set our units, U, N. You can see units here. Click on it. So set your precision to be in maybe 0.0 or 0. Let's just pick this one. So set this to be in millimeters, because look at our drawing, we are working with millimeters. All dimensions are in millimeters. So click OK. All right, next thing to set is to set our limits. What's the purpose of setting limits? It's just like you specify to a particular size for your drawing. So click on limits. Now lower left corner is simply your origin, 0, so type 0, 0, 0. Now your upper right corner simply means just like from the origin to the top of the y-axis, or from the origin to the top of from the origin to the top. So let's just pick 250 200, that is 250 200. So 250 200. So click enter. We are done with the limits. So the last thing to set is let's type zoom. So this is zoom. Click on it. So select all. A stand for all. So type A. You can see it here. You can see it around there. A. So click enter. Now we are done with that. Now since we're dealing with isometric, so you need to turn on this isometric mode. Can you see this thing? This isometric drafting. You can see. Turn it on. Yes, it is automatically on. Now we can begin our drawing. Now we take a point. We need to come to this command line to pick a line. Now we take a point. We start from here like this to this place is given to be 20, and then we will come like this 70. We go like this 20, and we move up here by what? By 20. Why? You can see that it's also 20 here. You can see that here is 20. So therefore here is also 20. So we come like this 20, we go like this 20, and we come like this 70. So let's pick a command line. You come here, you pick this command line here, you pick it. So pick any point. It's asking us to specify a particular point. Just as I've said, in your drawing you need to specify a point. So I will specify this point. I will go like this by 20. I will come up here by 20, which is also the same thing as this. So I will come here by 70. So let's do it. Let me specify a particular point. You click on that point. So you go like this. Mind you, it is isometric, so it has to be in 30 degree. Type 20. Click enter. Now I want to you see where 20 stop here now. So I want to cancel this line. I want to cancel all these things so that I can be able to come to the other side. So you click on escape on your keyboard. It is at the top left corner, ESC. Click on escape to cancel it. So you can see that it has already cancelled. So if I want to come here again now, to go up here by 20 and then come here by 70. So I need to pick this line command again. But instead of me coming here to pick this line command, since it was the last command I picked, so I'll just click enter on your keyboard. Just type enter. It will pick the last command. So it has automatically picked this last command. So you come here, you go up vertically, which is 90 degree. You go up by what? By 20. It's also 20. Type 20. Click enter. Okay. Now I need to cancel it. Let me click on it again. Yes. So I want to come here now like this. From this point, I will need to go 30 degree. You can see that it's showing 150 degree. Yeah, it's right. From the left here to this place, to this point, it is 30 degree to the left. But if I come, since I'm coming like this, so it will be 150. Okay. So I will type 70. Okay. All right. Now let's look at our drawing. I've already come here like this 70, move up like this 20, come here like this 20. So I will need to come like this 20, join it with this, and then come like this by 70, join it like this. So let's do that. Pick the last command, click enter. So go up by 20, click enter, join it to this, then come here like this by 70, join it to this. Okay, now we can cancel the line command. Okay, now we are getting close. We are getting close. Now we are done with this. So the next thing is to do what? From this point, which is also this point, from this point, I will go in 30 degree, then come out 30 degree, then come like this 30 degree again. I will then come down like this, come down like this. So I will go in 30 degree, come 30 degree. Okay, so let's do that. Click enter. Go in 30 degree. So I will go in by what? What is the distance? Let's check the distance. So I will go in, the distance from here to here is given to be 20. You can see it's 20 millimeter. So I'll go in 20, click enter, come out by 20. I will come out. What is the distance to? What is the distance from here to here? It's also 20. You can see it here. The distance from here to here is also 20. So make sure that your angle is at 30 degree. Type 20, click enter. Then I will come down like this by 20. I will come down like this by 20. You can see I will need to come like this by 20 because it is 20 here. You can see it. So I will come down by 20. 20. Then from that point, I will need to come down by 20 again. I'm here now. So I will need to come down by 20. I will also come down here by 20. Join it together. Okay. 20. Type 20. Click enter. Then come here. Pick the last command. Click enter. So from this point, I'll come down by 20. Make sure it is at 90 degree. 20. Type 20. Enter. Then join it with this one. All right. Now I will need to go like this by 20. You can see it's 20. I will come down like from down here too. I will go like this 20. I will go like this 20. I will join it together. Okay. When I join it together, then I will come like this by 35. You can see that it's 35 here. So let's do that. Click enter. 20. Type 20. Enter. Come down by 20. Join it together here. Okay, so I will need to come in by 35, then go up here by 50. Type 35. Then from that point, I'll go up vertically. Make sure it is at 90 degree. Yeah. So I will go up by 50. Okay. Let's count. I move in by 35. Up here by 50. So I will also come here by 52 because this is square. So I will come here by 50. I will come here by 50. Come by 50. Come by 50. Then join it together. So pick the last command, click enter. I will need to come down here, make sure that the angle is at, yeah, you can see it is at 150 now. So I will need to come down by 50. So come down, make sure that it is at 90 degree by 50. So join it with this. Okay, that is good. Okay, now I will need to go like this by 35, come like this by 50 because from here to here is 50. So then come like this by 35, join it together. Pick the last command. So go in by 35, come down like this, make sure that it is at 150, which is, whenever you are going to the left, it usually shows as 150, but if you are going to the right, it usually shows as 30 degrees, so it's still the same thing. So come by 30, we need to come here by 50, move by 50, so type 50, because as I've said, check. I say we are here now, so we come here by 50 because from here to here is 50. Okay, so 50, type 50, then journey to this, okay. All right, now, so we need to cancel that. All right, now we are here. So the next thing to do is I will need to come like this. By 15. Come like this, and join it together. See, you can see it here, 15 millimeters. So I will come here by 15, come down by what? By 50, because it's still the same thing as this. So come down by 50, then join it together. So from this point, so pick the last command by click enter. You click enter. From this point, move by 15, type 15, click enter, come down by 50, click enter, then join it to this one, join it here. Okay, so you can cancel it. All right, now we are getting close to the final. Now from this point now, which is also the same thing as this point, so I will need to join it to this point. Okay, let me do it like this. So I will need to come here from this point, which is this point. So I will move in. I will need to come out here by what? By 20. You can see I will come out here by 20, then join it to this, then join this end together. So from this point, click enter. So from this point, come here by what? By 20. Click enter, then join it to this on it. Then from this point, join it to this. Okay, now we are getting close to the final. Now to draw this circle inside, the isometric circle, what we need to do is that we need to get the midpoint. So to get the midpoint, what is the midpoint of this line? It is 50. So what will be the half? 25. So I will need to draw a line 25 to get the midpoint, and the midpoint of this line too is also 50. Get the midpoint. So let's get the midpoint. Pick the last command. So we come from here to here. The midpoint is 25. So type 25. The midpoint of 50 is 25. Type 25. So from that point, join it with this. This is also the midpoint. You can see midpoint has already showed that it's midpoint. Click on it. Okay, that is for that part. So I will need to come like this too. I will need to, the midpoint of this line too is also 25. So I need to pick the midpoint and come like this. So click enter. It has already specified the midpoint. That is the midpoint. So click on it, then come down like this. Okay, now we have gotten the midpoint now, which is this. So from there now we can then draw the isometric circle. So to draw that, come here, come to this place. Because why do you see ellipse? It's because isometric circle is not a perfect circle. It is an ellipse. Okay, so if you select this elliptical arc, anyone, you can select any of them. So let's assume I select this. So let me isometric circle, click on this isometric circle. Yeah, specify the center. It's asking me to specify the center, so this is the center. So we are done with the drawing. So next thing is to trim the unwanted line. You can trim it, the unwanted part. You can trim it. You can trim it. You can trim it. Trim the unwanted parts. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, please consider to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you in my next video.